दोस्तों नमस्कार. I'm believing that might you have gone through the Safety Sevak V1. In that I have discussed about the safety professionals, challenges and the prospects. And I promise in that Safety Sevak V1 that we will discuss something about the role of the safety professionals. And today is very auspicious day. That is the 15th July. 15th July in Tamil Nadu, it is being celebrated as the birthday of Kamaraj the kingmaker. He is being called as a kingmaker. But in the technical arena, it is 15th July is being celebrated as a World Youth Skill Day. And safety is also a skill. It is by profession, if you are getting the job and simply getting the designation and safety officer, and you are thinking you are the professional. No. Professional required skill. And what is the skill? The method of detecting skill gaps and improving these skills, that's called the skill development. And today, when I'm talking about safety professionals, the role for developing the safety culture or safety system or the safety requirement. But when I'm talking with you, no doubt I will say development of the safety sevaks. I'm believing the person, all the technical person who are performing the task in any area, they are the safety sevak. You can't think only the safety officers has to work on safety. Everybody has to work on safety. But as I promised you that we'll discuss about the role of the safety professional, something why the safety professionals are required. As I told you in the beginning, the getting the certificate, getting the appointment and being designated as a safety officer, it is not the meaning of that you have become the safety professional. Safety professionals, I will tell you, the safety professional have to perform their function on day-to-day basis under the control of the management. This arrangement is a deliberate one in that their efforts mainly lie in taking the management along with them by highlighting the benefits that would accrue on account of measures taken for safety, health and environment. They should advise the management with a view to prevent bodily injury, protect the property and conserve the environment. In other words, their canvas is wider but limited to only one unit. As compared to them, regulating agency have a wider canvas in terms of the number of units in their jurisdictions of obtaining compliance with the statutory requirement, whereas safety professionals are expected to complement the efforts of the regulating agency in so far as their unit is concerned. They should not be satisfied with mere compliance with the statutory requirement, but should pursue, motivate, convince, and take the management along with them in achieving optimum level of safeguards in the area of safety, health, and environment. For this purpose, they should intervene at the stage prior to the stage in which the regulating agency intervenes. They are free to interact with any level of management, any section of the organization, because safety interfaces at all levels and at all stages of the work activities of the organizations. Right, sir? It means as I told you, it's required skill. In the my first volume of the Safety Sevak V1, I have told the safety has to be implemented with दिल से. दिल से चीज़ें आनी चाहिए. और सेफ्टी एक ऐसा प्रोफेशन है, सेफ्टी एक ऐसा पेशा है, आई शुड से, जो टेक्निकल एरेना में परफॉर्म किया जाता है. इसलिए मैं इसको बोलता हूँ, मैं अपने को भी बोलता हूँ, मैं कई लोगों से भी बोला है कि माय डियर फ्रेंड, एवरीबडी हैज़ टू वर्क एज ए टेस्ट सेफ्टी सेवक एंड दे हैव टू बिलीव दैट दे आर द TSW, टेक्नो सोशल वर्कर. Techno social worker mean, I should say, okay, I'm not going in the other area. The technical arena required the touch. Might you have listened one word, the touch therapy. And this touch therapy, I will give the example here. In this corona period, what we are doing? We are touching by word, we are touching by observations and avoiding the physical touch. So we are maintaining the social distancing. It is being called as a social distancing has to be maintained. Corona protocol, it's one part of the Corona protocol. Same thing if you are applying when you are working in any industry, it may be the chemical industry, it may be the process industry, it may be the manufacturing industry, or it may be the construction area. Everywhere the touch therapy is playing the very good role. And the safety person has to be a master in that. Only that implementing, as I told you, the agencies, regulating agencies, what they are? The regulating agencies are guiding force. They may work as a guide, or they can work as a person or as a group who are pressurizing to the management to implement it. But who is the implementing agency? Who is the implementing person? The safety professionals are the implementing person of the requirement of the regulating agencies. Right, sir? I'll tell that way. They are to bring about changes in the organizational culture by functioning within the organizational structure to bring about necessary, that is a structure readjustment for the facilitating the introduction of the effort for ensuring safety, health and environment. Depending on the level at which they interact and depending on the nature of functionary with whom they interact, the safety professionals would have to adopt a suitable strategy and should strive for the integrating safety in the work activities. Even though they have a statutory support for their function, they should not be conscious of the statutory support which might gradually result in the confrontationist approach. Their approach should follow the strategies of interacting, interfacing, convincing, and going along with the different level of the functionary for achieving the result, achieving the goal, achieving a target. They should attempt to earn goodwill of all functionaries in the organizations. Once they achieve the difficult goal, further work become easy. And what is the difficult goal? I will tell you that if the agencies are coming or the management are discussing, accident should not happen. You have to try to achieve the zero accident. Achieving the zero is a easy target. Okay. For saying it is looking good. Here I will share one experience. I should say that my boss, I should say that way. Might he has gone to visit some site in the abroad, and he has come back. He called me and saying, you listen, I have gone there. It was like that. Safety was like that. Safety being implemented this way. I was not permitted to enter in this area. They are coming and guiding us and saying that. Oh, oh, oh. Now that here the problem starts. The things you have observed there, the things you have experienced there, the things which you are guiding to your subordinate, you are at the level of the implementing, decision taking chair you are occupying. So why you are not spreading the culture? Yes, your subordinate can support you, and the subordinate who is not supporting you, as I told, as I discussed in the earlier V1, safety sevak V1. Okay, put him in the safety section because he is not listening you. And safety section person is easily, I should say, easily approachable. And if something is happening untoward, call them and say that what you people are doing, not doing anything. Why you are being paid for that? These are the dangerous words, I should say, for implementing the safety system, implementing the safety culture. I So this is the very difficult goal. This is very difficult goal to achieve. That safety has to be implemented or spreaded with the touch therapy system. And in this aspects, the safety sevaks are playing the very vital role. Don't appoint them so much safety officer and the safety supervisor. Appoint the safety sevak. Develop the safety sevak. Say that you are the safety sevak for your area. Safety sevak is not required a different type of skill or different type educational qualification or the technical qualification. Safety sevak, as I told you, the safety sevak, anybody may be the safety sevak. Who are performing the task in the field, they are going and doing the work. He may be the site engineer, he may be the site supervisor, he may be the engineer of any discipline, he may work as a safety system. Then safety system will be implemented. But here, as I told you, I promised you that I will discuss about the role of the safety professionals. Role of the safety professional is that he has to be work as a bridge between the two person, policy makers, policy implementer, and policy achiever, I should say, who has to achieve the policy. I will share in different way. My policy is that one day you have decided for this year we will have the policy that we will see that all the workers who is going to perform the task, he has to be aware fully when he is going to perform any work. So how? It is very easy to listen, but it is very tough to implement. For that purpose, I will appreciate one organization, the construction site, what they have decided. I will not permit any worker or any officer or any supervisor if they have not undergone for the induction training. Induction training, two type induction training is there. One is the job related induction training, second is the safety related induction training. So that management, that organization management, very strictly they have told, no person can go on the job till that he is not certified by the safety section. They have gone for the under the induction training program. Yes, this is the initial stage of the implementing of the safety culture. And here the safety professional role are very vital. He has to be available. He has to make him available. his department has to be available for developing the safety culture and providing the induction training. Induction training, yeah, that in charge of that department can say that, sir, we are not having sufficient staff, this staff, that staff. Don't try to weep, yaar. Professional touch always, I will say that one professional, I should say professor is there and he is teaching the some subject, and he will say, no, 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 that who is the weakest person of this class, he has to go out, I will not teach him. No, it is very wrong thing. Same way that safety professional has to work. That every time I'm listening that from the when I was working in the organization and interacting with the person there, I have told to management and they are saying that no, 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 it can't be done. No, 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 it can't be. No, it means that you have not motivated in correct manner to the management. It is failure of the safety professional. Safety, as I told you, safety professional is a bridge. You can't work as a weak link of the organization. You have to be the part of that. You have to see that this particular planning which has been planning engineer or planning group has been spreaded, that has to be planned according to, yes, no doubt. You have to see that what has been planned, that has to go in the safe manner, simple. And for this, your role is very vital. You should have the watch on the civil aspect, you have to watch on the electrical aspect, you have to watch on the workers, you have to have the watch, interact with the site engineers. Nobody working to meet with injury. Nobody is working to get the injury, that his worker has to be in the problem. His performer has to be, I should say in that way, his performer has to be in the, who want it? Nobody want it. For that purpose, the role of the safety professional is very essential for implementing the safety culture. In this connection, one of the well-known principles of the management, mainly the principle of the reciprocal approach, if understood and applied properly, could come to the rescue of the safety professional. In any organization, all level of the functionaries, including individual levels, would have some issue or some aspects on which they are not able to find a satisfactory solutions to get the support of the management. If safety professional could solve that with a quid pro quo understanding with them, then the objective of the safety professional as well as the other functionary would be met. Such approach indicates the application of the concept of the reciprocal interest. After all, this is not an attempt to use the principle for any bad cause, but for a good cause. All said and done, in any organizations, the functionary who controls the finance ultimately controls the influences of the decision making process. In view of this crucial fact, it becomes necessary to highlight the economic advantage of a safety proposal, at the same time taking care not to dilute or undermine the humanitarian aspects. This approach finds favor with the management because any accident at the workplace or any event resulting in pollution could cost the management monetarily. This principle of reciprocal interest could be applied to different functionaries, resulting in effective implementation of safety related proposals, which have interface with other functions like production, planning, materials management, maintenance, purchase, etc. In fact, it is to be mentioned that safety function, which has an interface with the above mentioned functions, could be successfully carried out using the principle of the reciprocal interest. So, dear friend, दोस्तों, मैंने आपसे अभी तक जो बातें की उसके पीछे सिर्फ उद्देश्य एक ही है, एक ही उसका जो पर्पस है कि जो सेफ्टी वाले लोग हैं, जो सेफ्टी ऑफिसर कहे जाते हैं, सेफ्टी इंजीनियर कहे जाते हैं, सेफ्टी इंचार्ज कहे जाते हैं, अलग अलग डिजिग्नेशन, अलग अलग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उनको दे के रखता है, लेकिन उनका उद्देश्य सिर्फ एक ही है कि जहाँ पे भी कोई भी व्यक्ति, कोई भी वर्कर, क्या कोई किसी एक्सीडेंट किसी के भी साथ हो सकता है। एक्सीडेंट ये नहीं देखता कि आज हाई लेवल टीम का विज़िट है और उसमें जो हमारे डायरेक्टर्स और ये लोग फील्ड में मूव कर रहे हैं, तो उनके साथ एक्सीडेंट नहीं हो सकता। उनको भी हो सकता है, उनको भी आप इंडक्शन ट्रेनिंग दो। एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, मुझे उसके बारे में जानकारी है, उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया। पहला उन्होंने बोला कि 5 मिनट्स का कोई भी मीटिंग हो रही है, कोई भी हाई लेवल ग्रुप आ रहा है, कोई भी हाई लेवल कमेटी आ रही है, चाहे वो इंडियन हो या अब्रॉड से आई हुई टीम हो, उनको 5 मिनट्स की सेफ्टी ब्रीफिंग होगी ही होगी। ये बड़ा अच्छा गुड अप्रोच था उसका। उससे क्या होता है कि आप कुछ किसी को मेंटल स्टेटस आप चेंज नहीं कर रहे हो किसी का, आप सिर्फ ट्रिगर कर रहे हो। आप उसको एक चीज स्ट्राइक कर रहे हो कि जब भी आप फील्ड में जा रहे हो, बी कॉशियस। ये जो बी कॉशियस वाली जो वर्ड है कि आप थोड़ा सा सचेत, जिसको हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं कि आप थोड़ा सा सचेत रहिए। सचेत क्या है? अब सचेत, जैसे अभी मैं ऐसा एग्जांपल, आप घर से निकलते हो, इसको आज टेक्निकल एरिना में इसको बोलते हैं जॉब हैजार्ड एनालिसिस। मैं अभी उसमें नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं एक छोटा सा आपको एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ। आप घर से निकलते हो, बेसिक 3 चीज़ें आप ज़रूर, यही जॉब हैजार्ड एनालिसिस, और कोई स्पेशल नहीं। इस पे बाद में फिर कभी डिस्कस करूँगा, जॉब हैजार्ड एनालिसिस के बारे में कभी और डिस्कस करूँगा, लेकिन एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल मैं देता हूँ। आप घर से निकलते हो, 3 चीज़ें बड़ी एसेंशियल हैं जो आप चेक करते हो। क्या मैंने पेन लिया? क्या मेरा वैलेट है? क्या मेरा जो बैग है जो मैं डेली लेके जाता हूँ उसमें वो सारी चीज़ें हैं? और हमारी पत्नी ने जो टिफ़िन देना था उसमें टिफ़िन रखा कि नहीं मैंने? सिंपल है ये जो इसी, बस इसको आप समझ लो, जॉब हैजार्ड एनालिसिस। आप फील्ड में जब भी काम करने जा रहे हो, कुछ भी काम कर, 2 मिनट के लिए, ओनली फॉर 2 मिनट्स रुको, सोचो ये जो मैं काम करने जा रहा हूँ कैसे करना है, और आप अच्छे से काम परफॉर्म कर सकते हो, नो डाउट। और जब काम अच्छे से परफॉर्म करोगे तो रिजल्ट भी अच्छा आएगा। ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस, एक वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, कॉम्प्लिसेंस, इस सब को भूल जाओ। आप एक चीज़ याद रखो, कमिटमेंट। और ये सेफ्टी कमिटमेंट, ऐसे मैं बोलूँगा, मैं जब सेफ्टी की बात कर रहा हूँ, सेफ्टी कमिटमेंट। और ये सेफ्टी कमिटमेंट को पूरा करने के लिए मैं फिर से रिपीट करूँगा, मैं फिर से कहूँगा, सेफ्टी सेवक का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सेफ्टी सेवक क्यों, कब, कैसे, ये मैं आगे डिस्कस करूँगा। अब आज के लिए बस इतना ही, और धन्यवाद। आपका रिस्पांस मुझे मिल रहा है और बड़ा एनर्जेटिक रिस्पांस मिल रहा है, और मेरे लिए तो आप समझ लीजिए संजीवनी जैसा काम कर रहा है। सो आप इस तरह से सुनते रहिए और अपने सम्मति, अपनी ओपिनियंस आप देते रहिए। कोशिश करूँगा कि नए नए टॉपिक्स हो, लेकिन हमारा जो पूरा डिस्कशन होगा अल्टीमेटली वो इंडस्ट्रियल सेफ्टी से रिलेटेड ही होगा, अलग अलग टॉपिक्स पे होगा। कुछ मेरी बातें होंगी, कुछ राइटअप्स होंगे, कुछ कलेक्शंस होंगे, उन सब को मिला के मैं आपके सामने पेश करूँगा। नो डाउट, फाइनली एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि कोविड प्रोटोकॉल को मत भूलें, और जब भी काम करने जाएं सेफ्टी को ना भूलें। धन्यवाद।